Planning a move from Mississauga, Ontario to Coquitlam, British Columbia? This is a major cross-Canada relocation, so it takes more planning than a simple local move. You're not just moving across town. Your belongings may travel roughly 4,300 kilometers, crossing multiple provinces before arriving in Metro Vancouver. That's why choosing experienced, long-distance movers matters. For a typical Mississauga to Coquitlam move, the cost usually falls around $3,200 to $5,000 for many 1 to 2 bedroom moves. Some estimates may range higher depending on the size of the move, added services, and the total shipment weight. The best way to get an accurate number is to request a quote based on your inventory, pickup address, delivery location, and any special services you need. Your final moving price depends on a few important things: how much you're moving, how much truck space your items need, whether you want packing help, and how accessible both homes are. Stairs, elevators, long walking distances, condo rules, heavy furniture, storage needs, and seasonal demand can all affect the total cost. Moves during peak season, especially from May through September, may also cost more. A move from Mississauga to Coquitlam usually takes about 5 to 9 days once the truck leaves, depending on truck availability, weather, routing, and whether your shipment is moving on a shared or dedicated truck. Because this route can pass through Ontario, the Prairies, and the Rocky Mountain Corridor, it's smart to plan with a flexible delivery window instead of expecting same-day or next-day arrival. For a long-distance move like this, packing is more than just putting things in boxes. Your items need to be protected for a multi-day trip across Canada. Professional movers can help pack fragile items like glassware, electronics, artwork, mirrors, and large TVs using proper cartons, padding, and labeling. That extra care can make a big difference when your shipment is traveling thousands of kilometers. Sometimes your move out date and move in date don't line up perfectly. Maybe your new home in Coquitlam isn't ready yet, or your building has a specific delivery schedule. That's where moving and storage services can help. Many long-distance movers offer short-term storage, so your belongings can be held safely until you're ready for final delivery. When comparing Mississauga to Coquitlam moving companies, don't choose based only on the lowest price. Look for licensed and insured movers who understand long-distance Canadian relocations. A reliable mover should provide a written estimate, explain delivery windows, confirm insurance details, and walk you through how your shipment will be loaded, tracked, and delivered. To help manage your moving costs, start by decluttering before you pack. The less you move, the less space and labor your shipment may require. Make a clear inventory list, pack non-fragile items early, label every box by room, and confirm parking or elevator access at both locations. These small steps can help your movers work faster and avoid unnecessary delays. Moving from Mississauga to Coquitlam is a big step, but the right moving team can make it feel organized and manageable from start to finish. For reliable Mississauga to Coquitlam movers, visit 3movers.com today and request a free moving quote.